Hello web traveler, today we're opening this box, the Card of God. Maybe you know the site Temu. It's been kind of popular lately, it's something like AliExpress. So I went on there to see what God of story they have. Answer is, at the moment of the recording, there's not really much of God of story there, if any. But there was one box which was way more cheaper than it used to be, and maybe it's because I only started using Temu, so they go and giving me like an extra discount for a new account or something. But there was this one, and I thought, well, you know what, when I only started a few years ago recording this shit from AliExpress, I saw this one and I wanted to buy it, but I didn't have the money. Now nothing much changed really, but I just make stupid decisions more often to buy things when I actually don't need to. So a few things that I know. There are different animus in here, and I believe there are even male characters, which is not a common trait for the God of Story boxes. And also it's from the Dragon Company, which means we're gonna see a lot of doubles, because that's been always the case when I open something from them. Alright, I'm not that sold on the quality of those. I don't like the design of these, like it feels very, yeah, I don't know, clunky, maybe that's the word. There's also a damage line, a print error, what the fuck you call it. We have another R. The shine is okay, but the print quality of this one, it's a little bit blurry, you don't see it well, but it's a cool girl, I love her, but I don't love this card. Also the back is pretty boring and pale, but this one, however, this one looks awesome, feels awesome, and printed well. I don't know who the fuck are you, and I don't really care, and that's the One Piece character. So is the hit always the middle card? How do I do it? I do it like this, so I don't spoil myself. Which one would be the hit? Is this a double? No, it's the other card. I don't know. Oh wait, that's sword art. Sure, we have, oh my god, this quality. ReZero, which is media cool, but this quality, goddamn, that's so bad. First of all, the frame, that's got very shit. Second of all, again, you maybe not see it that good on the camera, because that's always the case, but in real life you just see the pixels, man. I can count them for you. There's 69. That's Bleach, Ranger. Those are cool characters. I really love the idea of being like male and female characters in one box, but it's just the execution that doesn't get me hype, man. And also the freaking neighbors. And we have an SSR. Guys, it turns out the background noise of neighbors, even though it's very loud in real life, I think it's not that loud at the recording. At least I couldn't hear it well. What the fuck, when I'm saying this, there's just going explode there or something. The freaking noise becomes even more noisy. Cool, Bleach, I guess. Sure, One Piece again. They're always sitting. Sure. That's Fate. That's kind of cool. I also don't hate the design on this one. Bleach, sure, not really a fan. We have Frankie. How the fuck do we get from this SSR to this SSR? Which, I mean, obviously in terms of how spicy things looks, this one looks better, way better, because this one only has like the golden outline. This has like all the dots and golden and like rainbow colors. I don't mind it that much, but it seems weird to me. Awesome, I guess. Bleach, that's Jujutsu Kaisen, I think so. And we have another SSR. Props to them though, the packaging of the cards feels very nice and looks very nice. Look at how golden they are, it's amazing. But I would prefer way better cards. I don't know why say like, don't test it or anything, or they just don't care. Okay, that's actually not a bad card. That's a high quality pixels right there, that's nice. Another Fate with high quality, and also the guy who probably made the art. Very smart of you to put your name there. So shout out to you, man. All right, that's One Piece. Yes, cool. Thank you, the sun. Holy shit! There are only like 3 pixels on this card. I think they sold it for like 30 euros. Jojo, don't you fucking dare, mate. If you ruin my cards, I'm gonna ruin your life, and you live with me, man. So it's not worth it. Trust me, it's not worth it. But paying 30 for this is ridiculous. Oh damn, Shaman King, that's something you don't see often very much. You like Shaman King? You like this small girl? I think he's not. He just went and like destroyed my pile of hits, man. I think paying $30 for this is ridiculous. Like you need to pay $10 for this because of the quality issues, man. Of the picture quality issues. That's cool. The Shaman King again, allow it. Thank you. Probably Sword Art, I don't know who that is. The double, cool. And we have an SR, which is Fate, which is Berserker. Yeah, you wanna come through again, Jojo? Bro, yes, it's thick. Don't know who you are, don't care who you are. Sure. SSR, which looks more ting, you know? It's really weird how some of the cards are pretty nice and some of the cards are really shit. Like this also, again, the pixels, man, why? Okay, Ushiva Kamaru? Oh wait, that's Fate! God damn, son, I didn't even register it. That's Fate, that's cool. So I always leave with mixed feelings when I open cards from them, from the Dino logo company. Because they have like sometimes good ideas and not bad execution. But it's very often mixed, okay, double, sure. But it's very often mixed with, you know, disappointments as well. And then you don't really know if you like the box or not, but it only comes to, alright, that's... I thought this is Shaman King, so maybe it is, like the Ice Boy. Because this is definitely a Shaman King character. Alright, doubles, obviously, and Chopper! Okay, that's kind of cute. Cute. I'm gonna do it like this now. Hey, that's Nico Robin! That's Nico Robin with a lot of hands, man. Hey, that's Rintoziga! Let's go. Okay, it's becoming a mess because I don't enjoy these cards that much. I paid not that much, so I'm okay with the results that I got. But if I would have paid $30 for this, man, I would feel disappointed. So that's the only difference, if they're worth it or not. But they price it for 30 because why not? Because the other ones are also 30. Hey, that's cool. That's nice. So why shouldn't we? But look how many R doubles I got. They're not even that good quality, not all of them. So that's just stupid to pay $30 for this. Thank you for listening to my rant about this box. Where's the hit? Did I skip it? Oh, I skipped it. It's like stuck. That's the hit? Okay. Like that's the same boy. Last pack. We haven't even seen like a very high rarity or something. All of the cards are RSR, which is more rare than SSR. Crazy to me, but okay, I don't hate it. But then there's like a very much difference in how the SSR are. That's Digimon, right? It sure is, and that's it. On that note, guys, thank you for watching. You're freaking awesome. Love you so much, and I see you in another one.